In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert draw.io files to Visio. If you've built diagrams in draw.io and need to share or edit them in Microsoft Visio, the quickest path is to export to the Visio VSDX format and then open that file in Visio. I'll walk you through the process and call out small details that help your diagram look the same on both platforms. Start by opening draw.io in your browser. Load the diagram you want to convert, whether it's stored locally or in a connected drive. Make sure everything you want to export is visible on the canvas, and if your diagram has multiple pages, confirm they're named clearly so you can recognize them later in Visio. Next, look to the top menu and click File. If your window is narrow and you don't see the full menu, expand your browser or click the menu icon to reveal it. The File menu is where draw.io keeps all the export options. From there, choose Export As, then select VSDX. In some versions, you may see it labeled VSDX Beta. That simply means the feature is still improving, but it works well for most diagrams. An export dialog will appear. Review the options carefully. If you use custom fonts, know that Visio will substitute fonts it doesn't have installed, so consider picking common fonts in your diagram beforehand. If you have embedded images, check any available options to include them so they aren't linked to external paths. For multi-page diagrams, confirm you're exporting the pages you need. When you're satisfied, proceed with the export. Now choose where to save your file. You can store it on your computer or send it directly to your cloud storage. Give the file a clear name and keep the .vsdx extension if you're saving to the cloud. Wait for the sync indicator to finish so the file is fully available to open on other devices. Finally, open the exported VSDX file in Microsoft Visio. You can double-click the file or launch Visio and use Open to browse to it. Once it's loaded, scan through each page. Check connectors, arrowheads, and text alignment and make small adjustments if needed. This is normal when moving between applications. When everything looks right, save your work in Visio so your changes persist. That's it. You went from a draw.io diagram to a Visio file by exporting to VSDX, saving it locally or to the cloud, and opening it in Visio.